Good morning, class. This morning we are going to learn about how to add and subtract numbers. You already know how to count, right? You know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? But now, what do we do with these numbers? Do you know what can we do with these numbers? Seven, 8, 9, and 10, right? But what can we do with these numbers? What are they for? We can play with these numbers. Numbers are used to count objects or to count groups of numbers. For example, if I have this marker, how many do I have? 1, right? Now, I grab another one, and how many do I have? How many markers do I have? I have 1, 2 markers, right? But what if I were to have another marker? Now how many markers do I have? I have, count with me, 1, 2, 3 markers, right? Now Lupita comes and brings me another marker. And how many markers do I have now? I have, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4 markers. Anyone knows what are we doing with these markers? Yes, we are adding the number of total markers we have. First, I had just 1, but then I had 2, and then I had 3, but then I ended up having 4 markers. That is called addition, right? That is called addition. We are adding numbers together. Now, what if I had these 4 markers and Jasmine had to use these 2 because she's gonna color her drawing. Jasmine comes and takes the 2 markers. I had 4 and she took 2. How many do I have left? How many do I have left? Yes, I have 2 markers now. I have 1 and I have 2. Thank you, Clarissa, for the answer. I have 2. Before I had 4, but then I had 2. What are we doing here? We are subtracting. This is called subtracting. We are taking away objects or numbers from a group. From a group, yes. Before we had 4, now we have 2. Or what if she needed the 3 markers? What is 4 minus 3? 1, right? It's 3, 2, 1. We're left with only 1 marker. That is called subtraction. Have you seen this sign before? This is the sign we use for addition. For example, if we had 1, had two markers. We had two markers first, and then we're gonna add two more. How many do we have now? It's 1 and 2 plus 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 2 plus 2 equals 4. Or if we had the 4 markers, and Lupita took 2 because she's gonna use them to color his drawing. Minus 2. How many did she have left? You had 4, and now you're gonna take away 2. So now you end up having, you had 4, you took away 2, now you have 2, right? It's 4 minus 2 equals 2. Excellent. Somebody have any questions? Okay, we're gonna continue with this class next week.